I'm Bea Maritrang Hia, third year BSBA. I will tackle about innovative systems from e-commerce and e-learning to consumer. And under this topic are e-government and overview, implementing e-government, e-learning, online publishing and e-books, knowledge managerial learning and electronic commerce, and consumer-to-consumer electronic commerce. First, what is e-government and overview? E-government is which a government entity buys or provides goods, services, or information to businesses or individual citizens. In e-government, there are several major categories. First, government to citizens, government to businesses, government to government, internal efficiency and effectiveness, and government to employees. Government to citizens. E-government category that includes all the interactions between a government and its citizens. Government to business. E-government category that includes interactions between governments and businesses. Government selling to businesses and providing them with services, and businesses selling products and services to government. Government to government. E-government category that includes activities within government's units and those between governments. Government to employees. E-government category that includes activities and services between government units and their employees. Stages in transformation to e-government. First, information publishing, dissemination. Second, official two-way transactions with the department at a time. Third, department portal. Fourth, portal personalizations. Fifth, clustering of common services. And sixth, full integration and enterprise transformation. Implementation issues of e-government. First, information speed. Second, G2B implementation. Third, security and privacy issues. Fourth, wireless applications. And fifth, business aspects. E-learning. E-learning. E-learning is the online delivery of information for purposes of education, training, or knowledge management. Benefits of e-learning. First, time reduction. Second, large volume and diversity. Third, cost reduction. Fourth, higher content retention. Fifth, flexibility. Sixth, updated and consistent material. And seventh, fear-free environment. First, need for instruction or training. Second, equipment needs and support services. Third, lack of face-to-face interaction in campus life. Fourth, assessment. Sixth, protection of intellectual property. 7, computer literacy. And last, student retention. Distance of e-learning. Distance learning, formal education that takes places of campus, usually but not always through online resources. An online university from which students take classes from home or other off-site locations, usually via the internet. Online publishing and e-books. Online publishing is delivery of newspapers, magazine, books, news, music, videos, and other digitable information over the internet. eZen. Isn't is electronic magazine or newsletter delivered over the internet via email. And these are the methods of approaches to online publishing. First, online archive approach. Second, new medium approach. Third, publishing intermediation approach. Fourth, dynamic approach. Webcasting is a free internet news services that broadcasts personalized news and information including seminars in categories selected by the user. Second, webinars is seminars on the web. Third, podcast, a media file that is distributed over the internet on mobile devices and personal computers. As with the term, radio can be the content of syndication. Fourth, podcaster, the host or author of a podcast. Fifth, ebook, a book digital form that can be read on a computer screen or on special devices. Ebooks can be delivered via first, web download, second, a dedicated reader, third, a general purposes reader, and fourth, a web server. And these are the types of ebooks. First, traditional book format. Second, online bookshop. The Rubik's Cube hyperlink book. Fifth, the interactive build your own decision book. And last, the online reference book model. Blogs and wikis. Weblogging or blogging, technology for personal publishing on the internet. Blog, a personal website that is open to the public to read and to interact with, dedicated to specific topics or issues. And these are the 7 principles of building effective blogs. First, focus intently on a narrow niche ideal, one whose audience has a prediction for high margin products. Second, set up blogs so that each post gets its own permanent URL. Third, think of a blog as a database, not a newspaper-like collection of dispatch. Fourth, blog frequently and regularly, at least half a dozen posts every weekday. Fifth, use striking image readers. Six, enable comments and interact with readers. And last, 7, make friends with others. And the fourth topic is knowledge management and e-commerce. Knowledge management is the process of capturing or creating knowledge, storing it, updating it, constantly interpreting it, and using it whenever necessary. Knowledge management has 4 tasks. First, creating knowledge repositories where knowledge can be stored and retrieved easily. Second, enhancing a knowledge environment in order to conduct more effective knowledge transfer and use it. Third, managing knowledge as an asset so as it increase the effective use of knowledge assets over the time. And lastly, fourth, improving knowledge access to facilitate its transfer between individuals. Current knowledge management activities for companies doing easy should include the following. First, knowledge creation. Second, knowledge capture and third, knowledge classification. Fourth, knowledge distribution. Fifth, knowledge utilization. And lastly, knowledge evolution. Knowledge portal. A single point of access software system intended to provide timely access to information and to support communities of knowledge workers. Second, information intelligence. information, data knowledge, and semantic infrastructure that enable organizations to create business applications. And this is the knowledge work task with examples of supports technology. Knowledge management in e-commerce has online advices and consulting. First, medical advice. Second, management consulting. Third, legal advice. Fourth, gurus in answer to queries. Fifth, financial advice. And lastly, six, other advisory and services. Employees' knowledge networks and expert advices within organizations. First, expert location system. Expert location system is interactive computer system that helps employees find and connect with colleagues who have expertise required to specific problems. Whether they are across the country or across the room, in order to solve specific technical business problems in seconds. And this is the exhibit of how expert location systems save work. And it includes desktop search. Desktop search is search tools that search contents of users or organizations' computer files rather than searching the internet. The emphasis is on finding all the information that is available on the user's PC, including web browser histories, email archives, and word processors documents, as well as in all internal files and databases. And the last topic is consumer-to-consumer e-commerce. Consumer-to-consumer is the e-commerce model in which consumers sell directly to the other customers.
And it goes a little something like